Okay guys, you might be wondering what I'm doing right now. Well, these tools plus a ps3. Yeah. This video is going to be named how to open a ps3 to see the hard drive. For those for y'all haven't seen the hard drive for it. Well, this will be the video to do it on, to show y'all how to open it, the side. Okay, so this is the piece that comes off. It is not that hard to put it back on. That's the hard drive right there. I'll turn my camera around for y'all. You might want me to do that. Here, I'm gonna sit in my bed. Tell me in the chat comments below if this quality is good. Okay, so all you really want to do is just get like a screwdriver this small. I think it's this one. Yeah, it is. No, it's this metal one over here, wherever it is. Hey guys, I'll be right back.